OGT online training. So here I will tell you how to write a report. So the report is this is your weekly report. So it has two parts, the part number 1 and the part number 2, and one schedule is given to you. This is the schedule given, and this is also weekly schedule. So this is for the week number 1, and the date is 18 to 22 October, and this is week number 2, and the date is given here. And likewise there are 9 weeks are there, 8 or 9 weeks are there, maximum 8 or maybe 9. And so what you have to write in your report, and this is your okay. So here in this report, here the student will get the marks on the basis of the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and up to the week 8, like that. And now what you have to write in your lab report, in your weekly report. So in your weekly report, in the first report, here you have to write 1, and then here you have to write the date, like this is 18 to 25 here. So what is the week number 1? So this is 18 to 24. So this is 18 to, here you have to write 18 to 22, like that. And here this is 22, and this is 10, like that. So especially in the week number 1, here in the part 1, you have to write the report on this schedule for the part 1 here, which is coming here. So this is for the week number 1, and this is for the part A here, for this part. And for the part B, you have to write what the training you are getting from the Majan company. So in the week number 1, your training was not started that time. So for week number 1, leave this. Okay, don't write anything in the part number 2. Only write the part number 1 on the basis of this schedule. So the week number 1, only part 1, and this training you have to write. Now, okay, now for the week 2. So for the week 2, here you have to write the week 2, and this is week number 2. And for the week number 2, come here. So for the week number 2, this is 25 to 29 October. So this is 25 to 29 October. So this you have to write. And for the week number 2, for the part 1, you have to write the training which you are getting for the week number 2 here. So this is for the part 1 training. Okay, this one, Oman LNG, this one. And for the part B, for the part 2, you have to write for the Majan company. So every week, because in week number 2, your training has been started. So for the part number 2, here the Majan company training you have to write. This is for the Majan company training, like that. So in the week number 3 also, in the part 2, same Majan company, and week number 4 also the part 2 Majan company. So in every week except the week number 1, in part number 2, you have to write about the Majan company training, and very short training here. Okay, not very in detail, only 1 page here.